this is normal Z Image workflow and this is my enhanced workflow, the advanced workflow with better skin details. And now Gemma 4 is natively supported in ComfyUI. So in this video, I'll show you all three changes. Before this, you needed a custom node to write or enhance the text. But now Gemma 4 can help you write better prompts directly inside ComfyUI. I keep updating my Z Image workflow regularly, and in this video, I'll show you how to add Gemma 4 support and how to get more advanced skin details. So first, let's talk about how to rebuild the Gemma 4 prompt section. If you are not using my workflow, you can still easily add this to any workflow. First, I removed my old Qwen-VL custom node. Then I searched for the text generate node. Here is the text generate node. You can see it has a clip input, image input, video input and audio input. This means it can describe your image, video or audio. You can also write any text inside the prompt box and ask it to enhance your prompt. Now first, I add a load clip node and connect it to the clip input. For the model, Gemma 4 is available in FP8 and BF16. You can download based on your system's RAM or VRAM. I am using the FP8 version. I downloaded it and saved it in my text encoder folder. Now in the load clip node, you can select your downloaded file from the list. Select the Gemma 4 FP8 scaled model. Make sure the type is set to stable diffusion. Now for the generated text, I added a show text node and connected to the text generate output. This way we can see what prompt Gemma 4 gives us. You can also connect the generated text directly to your clip text encode node. Then whatever Gemma 4 writes will automatically go into your image generation prompt. But you can also leave it disconnected and write manually if you want to improve the prompt yourself. At the top, I already added an instruction. This instruction helps Gemma 4 write a better prompt for Z image. It gives an enhanced prompt that works better for image generation. I have one instruction for image-based prompting and another one for text-based prompting. For example, if you have an idea in your mind, just paste the text instruction into the text generate prompt box. Where it says paste your prompt here, you can write your idea. So here I'm writing a very simple prompt. A beautiful woman in a red dress doing a fashion shooting, highly detailed, realistic photography. Right now, this is a very basic prompt. I am writing it like someone who doesn't know how to write a proper Z image prompt. I just randomly added a beautiful woman in a red dress doing a fashion shooting, highly detailed, realistic photography. Now I hit run. After a few seconds, you can see Gemma 4 has enhanced my prompt. So here, I didn't know how to write the full prompt. I only gave a little instruction and Gemma 4 made it more detailed and more suitable for Z image. It writes something like, a beautiful stunning woman radically elegant in a vibrant crimson glow captured during a highly detailed hyper-realistic photo shoot. The composition should be cinematic with strong lighting, realistic skin and detailed fashion photography. And now you can see the result. I gave a very basic prompt and based on that prompt, Gemma 4 enhanced it. Now we get a beautiful woman in a red dress and you can see the details clearly. To make Gemma 4 run, make sure your ComfyUI is updated. Right now my ComfyUI version is version 0.20.2. If Gemma 4 is still not working, go to your ComfyUI folder. Inside the ComfyUI folder, check the text encoder folder and make sure the Gemma 4 file is available. If the file is not available, you can download it and paste it there. Now we can bypass the daemon generation group and try to make the skin better with a new method. So here I just bypass the daemon generator group. Now inside the upscale section, I added another sampler. But first, I send the image into an upscale model. The model I am using is 4x Pure Photo Real PL-SKR. So what does this model do? The 4x Pure Photo Real PL-SKR model helps restore photo details. It improves hair, skin texture and surface details. This model increases the resolution and restores the surface details. Then the second sampler helps redraw and refine the details using the prompt. So the upscale model improves the image quality and the sampler adds more AI detail back into the skin and face. So for this test, I set the denoise to 0.38 and now I hit run and compare the results. As you can see, before this next sampler, the face was a little sharp. But after the sampler, it adds more details to the skin texture and it feels more realistic. You can see the eyes also look better. These small details make the image look better. If you are watching my workflow, you can also see I added a noise option to make the image more realistic. If you do not want any noise in your image, you can bypass it from here. This makes the workflow easier to understand, and sometimes people do not like adding noise because the noise injection node can make the image look different. So you can bypass or enable that option based on your results. Now let's go back to the Gemma 4 node. You can see there is an image input. You can load any image here. I loaded this image. The image resolution is 2194 by 1640. Now I use the image instruction. I copy and paste it into the text generate prompt box. Then I change the image resolution to 1280 by 768. I simply change the resolution and now let's see how close the result is. Now we get the prompt based on my image instruction. One more thing I want to show here is the pose is almost the same. The look, clothes and overall structure are also very close. There is only a little difference in the background. So you can see without any control net, it copied the pose very closely. This image was generated with the default Z Image workflow. And now you can see how much better the enhanced workflow created the result. Now we want to test the skin detail with the second sampler. You can see the skin already looks soft and sharp before the second sampler. And now, after the second sampler, it adds more details based on the instruction. This makes it look more realistic. If you look at the eyes, they are even better than before. These small details make the image much better. So when you generate an image like this and convert it into video, the better the image is, the better the video you get. So this is the update about Gemma 4 support in ComfyUI. I updated my workflow and I added another sampler to make the skin detail even better. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you. Bye-bye.